Hey guys, Tom here with Not So Average Builder. Today, I kind of wanted to talk to you guys real quick. I want to do more interactions like this. I feel that they can do better than just straight hands. I have no offense meaning towards people who just do that. But I've noticed a lot since I've watched a lot of other creators. A lot of them do face-to-face contact, even though it is my face to your screen, but it's still the same thing. I want to incorporate more of this into my videos. So I could either do it at the beginning of the videos, at the end of the videos, or both. So I want you to drop a comment below and tell me what you want to hear. So A, B, or C. A is front of the video, B is rear of the video, C is both. And I want to keep doing these things to help you guys out. And one of the ways that you can help me out is through my Patreon. If you're not familiar with Patreon, it is a way for me to basically fund projects with your help. So if you like what you see and you want to see it progress, there is a link below. It's patreon.com/notsoaveragebuilder, and that is also down below in the description. But I will place that link right here so you can see. And that is going to be the main way that I can create new content, that I can do more advanced techniques, I can try new things, do bigger kits, customize more kits. I'm kind of talking right now with Music and Hobby about a possible sponsorship, maybe, but that is going to open my eyes, or open me to the world of resin upgrade kits for Gunpla. So I'm kind of excited about that. But I want to try new techniques like that. Those are things that I don't want to just be an average builder. I want to be a not so average one. I want to try new things, constantly push the boundaries, push the envelope even further. And that's what I want you guys to do. That's why I started this. I want you all to, if you've never been in the hobby before, jump in. Try it out. Give it a shot. See how you like it. And B, the people who have already been in the hobby, who have just kind of skated by, that not really done anything, I want you to try new things. I don't want you to just sit here and do the same mundane thing over and over again, because that's the quickest way to get burnt out on anything. That brings me to my third and final person. So the people who are trying new things, but they're scared to keep pushing the envelope, I want to be your guiding light. I want to show you that someone like me can push myself to the point of making something great. I want to forever that key. Don't just be an average builder. I want you to be a not so average one. I want everyone that I meet to push that envelope just a tad, even if it's just a slight bit. But you're going to keep pushing and keep pushing and keep pushing. What do they say? Rome was not built in a day. But that is the goal of this channel. That is the goal, and I don't know if it was to begin with. I think it was just kind of just throw my projects out there on YouTube. But I've got a few people that are highly interested in my work, and it's not so much my work, it's just me doing it. It's me pushing farther. I mean, I've never done non-metallic metal. I screwed up once, but guess what? I tried it again. It still is not perfect, but 2 attempts. 2 attempts. This isn't bad. Even so, saying so myself. My second ever miniature. It is not perfect. There is brush strokes or line marks and whatnot, but I'm going to keep pushing. I'm going to keep pushing. These things are going to be better and better and better, and the only way you're going to get better at doing something is by doing it. That is my goal for this channel. I want to help you, and I want to be able to be pushed myself, but unfortunately money is the aspect of that, and the wife would probably kill me if I just went out and bought everything that I wanted to, and yeah, I would be divorced even before I was married. Technically, we're not married, not until October, but that is there. No, I'm sorry, November. Don't tell her. Remember, with Patreon, it is the way that you can help me to grow and all of those things. Enough about Patreon. Let's talk about works in progress. So, I did finish what I wanted to on the Astaroth as far as panel lining. It was not much, but it was a start. So that is going to be washed and cleaned up. Today, or later on today, I'm going to clear coat the red frame because it needs it. The decals have had plenty enough time to cure, all of those things. Then finally, well, not finally, second to finally, I've got to finish up this side of the dragon, which I'm just going to use the red leather on this side. I'm not going to do anything crazy on it. And then I get to work with the green, I still cannot remember what that's called, but the tarnishing of the copper, because I'm going to make it look legitimate. And then this needs to be clear coated, so this will be clear coated along with the red frame. And I'm going to use Pledge. And there will be, when I do the video on clear coating the red frame, I'll talk all about this, so we'll not worry about that right now. And the last thing is my Guardians. I want to get those done so that I can get them up, and these will be for sale. They're gonna be kind of a add-on team. I don't play the game, so I'm not really sure what it's going to add on to, but for those that do play the game that don't want to paint the figures, I'll be there for that. And then, oh, I'm so excited! The freedom. You can't see it, but I can. It's just laying right here waiting. It's waiting. I gotta do an unboxing video. So I'm gonna get those clear coated, and then I'm gonna do the unboxing video. Oh, so excited. So that is all I have for right now. Remember, all the links for those are down below. I also have Amazon affiliate links. Those are also down below. Just take a look at them.